right in a gentle pose, a quiet hum as the day begins, life's sweet rhythm under my skin. Oh, life, you're a whisper, a song in the air, a soft little breeze that's beyond compare. You hum and you sway like the trees in bloom, filling my heart with a sweet perfume. Steps on the path where the grass runs wild, the earth feels soft like a mother's smile. Birds in the sky, they sing my name. Every day it feels the same but never tame. Oh, life, you're a whisper, a song in the air, a soft little breeze that's beyond compare. You hum and you sway like the trees in bloom, filling my heart with a sweet perfume. Close my eyes, let the calm unfold, a story of life that's gently told. The world turns slow yet full of grace, each moment a treasure we embrace. Oh, life, you're a whisper, a song in the air, a soft little breeze that's beyond compare. You hum and you sway like the trees in bloom, filling my heart with a sweet perfume. The heart can hear the leaves they dance, a secret rhyme their rhythm sways with endless time. Oh, nature calls, a sacred song, it's been inside us all along. The earth, the sky, the air we breathe, a symphony we can't unweave. The dawn paints gold upon the land, a masterpiece from nature's hand. The clouds drift slow, they sketch the blue, a canvas verse forever true. Close your eyes, just let